Are you ready for the future of smartphone photography? Leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max camera specs just dropped. And let's just say you might want to lower your expectations. What's new? What's the same? And is Apple playing it safe? Stick around and I'll break it all down in just a moment. Plus, there's talk of a new camera design that could change everything, if Apple goes for it. But there's a twist you won't want to miss. All right, tech lovers, let's dive into it. We're still around 8 months away from the iPhone 17 launch. But thanks to Digital Chat Station, one of the most reliable leakers out there, we already have a good idea of what's coming for the Pro and Pro Max camera setups. First, let's talk specs. Both models are rumored to share the exact same front and rear-facing camera modules. Now, what does that mean? Think of it like getting a sequel to your favorite movie, but with the same plot. Here's the breakdown. A 48 megapixel primary camera with a 11.3-inch sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide module, and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera offering 5x optical zoom. Sounds familiar? That's because it's eerily similar to what's already in the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So don't expect jaw-dropping hardware upgrades there. But wait, there's a glimmer of hope in the selfie department. Apple is reportedly bumping up the front-facing camera to 24 megapixel, a significant leap from the current 12 megapixel. Finally, selfie lovers, you get the glow-up you deserve. Double the megapixels, double the detail. Can we say new profile pic every week? Okay, back to the rear cameras. While the core sensor sizes might not change much, Apple is known for squeezing magic out of its software. We're betting on more advanced computational photography to give these cameras a real edge. Think better night shots, faster autofocus, and smarter AI tweaks. Now, here's where things get interesting. Ever heard of a horizontal camera layout on an iPhone? Rumor has it Apple might be testing a whole new design. So, what about that camera island? According to whispers from Weibo, we could see a horizontal layout instead of the vertical stack we're used to. Imagine your iPhone looking more like a futuristic camera slab. Pretty cool, right? But hold on, before you get too excited, other sources suggest Apple hasn't finalized this decision. March is reportedly the deadline for locking in the design, so it's anyone's guess. Horizontal, vertical, maybe a diagonal, just to keep us guessing. Let me know in the comments what design you would love to see. So there you have it. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might not be huge leaps in camera hardware, but with that new selfie camera and potential design shakeup, there's still plenty to be excited about. And if there's one thing Apple never fails at, it's surprising us with game-changing software enhancements. What do you think? Are these upgrades worth the wait, or are you hoping for something more radical? Drop your thoughts below. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. We've got even more juicy iPhone leaks and tech deep dives coming your way. Next up, could the iPhone 17 finally ditch the notch? Click over here to find out. Peace out.